Hi loves and welcome back to my channel Adi Sangati, which means that's the matter, and welcome to another day of my Korea vlogs.
This is your baby you've been waiting for.
So guys, you have seen me exploring Bongunsa temple. It was such a beautiful place and a really amazing experience, especially on visiting it on Buddha's birthday. And we also wanted to see it at night time because this is how beautiful it looks at the night time. So technically we didn't stay till the night time in the same temple because that's very boring thing to do. So we went to check out the Coex Mall, which is right in front of this temple in Gangnam. So this video is all about that. So let's go. So as soon as we entered the Coex Mall, we realized, okay, this is not a small thing. I mean, it's so huge and we really didn't want to get lost at any point. So we always hanged on to these maps. And we knew we wanted to visit one place for sure, and that is Starfield Library. Like, if at all you ask anybody about things to do in Gangnam, they'll suggest you to go and visit Starfield Library. I mean, it is one of the suggestions you get, and I've heard a lot about this, but I'll tell you my perspective. I have never seen a library in the middle of a mall, and by the way, I'm really sorry for the shaky footage, guys. I mean, I realized that I didn't understand my GoPro properly. Basically, GoPro doesn't give a clean footage in the low light settings. So as soon as I entered into this space, it is kind of a low light setting, and then the footage started getting shaky even though it was in a stabilized mode. And this footage is from my phone, so I somehow managed it with my phone's footage. Coming back, I haven't seen a library in the middle of a mall, and that too a library which has different number of multiple states till the ceiling. So we were in a touristy mood, not in a mood to check on books. So we just clicked a couple of pictures, and this is an artificial tulip garden, but still we stood in line to get some pictures clicked. So yeah, and after that we are going to my favorite place, that is food. And from now on, I'm going to share some valuable tips for you if you have to shop for anything in Korea. Especially if you're a vegan, you have to check the labels. Every single label. First of all, every single label is in Korean language. Except the price, every other thing will be mentioned in Korean language. So you just need to translate that and check the ingredients properly, and then you need to buy that, because most of them are made with a beef or fish, something like that. To be honest, we had a really tough time finding food in the whole Coex Mall. But in Korea, you can find wide variety of breads. You just need to check the labels, and you just need to be able to find the right product for you. But the breads taste really amazing. And here is one more thing. The other day, I drank black sesame latte, and after that, I saw this bread and I thought that this bread was made with black sesame, like very confidently, and then I realized that it is made with octopus, I mean squid. You know, when you try to attack a squid, it'll release a black color fluid. So that fluid is used to make this kind of bread. Then I was like, oh my god. And one more thing, if you're someone who likes savory food like me, or even prefers spicy food, it is kind of difficult for you to find a bread, because even the garlic bread in Korea tastes sweet. They put a sugar coating on the garlic bread. I mean, the bread tastes garlicky, it has all that flavor, but all of that is ruined with a sugar coating on top of it, according to me. So I really want garlic bread to be in a savory version, not sweet. So I was kind of disappointed on that, but the different types of bread you find here are amazing, like so many things. But according to my diet restrictions, I wasn't able to eat a lot of it. So we had a really hard time finding something vegetarian or vegan in Coex Mall. So if you're someone who is visiting Coex Mall and wanted to have a vegan food while you're visiting, you just need to check the maps, and there is only one place where you can get your vegan food. So yeah, just a heads up. There was one store that sells plant-based meals, and that store closes very soon. So if you're someone who wanted to visit Coex Mall, just check the timings of that store, go there, have some food over there, and then roam around in the Coex Mall, especially if you're a vegan, or else it'll be very difficult for you to find food. So here we are going back to the temple to look at the night lights. In the last video, I mentioned about, talking to Laughing Buddha, and my camera didn't capture it properly. But basically, this is how it looks. Like, you literally put your head on his tummy and literally talk to him. It was such a divine feeling. And this is on next day, we went to Han River for a drone show. To be honest, I really underestimated a drone show, especially in Korea. Never do that, because it will be the cutest experience you can ever find. I really thought that a drone show is like, random drones coming and making some shapes. But oh my god, the drone show that I saw today, it was so cute, and I really can't stop from sharing with you guys. Here are my friends. Yes, I got all the footage. Say hi.
I was questioning if that was you or not.
One of the touristy things to do at Han River is making your own ramen at that place. You just go to a shop, buy your ramen packet, and there you'll have a facility to add some hot water into it and stew it and make a ramen. Sit there, you'll have a lot of picnic tables and enjoy it with your friends. It is one of the most common things Koreans do, and such a nice experience too. Now, let me tell you my story. I didn't have the chance to eat ramen because the ramen seasoning has beef in it. So, I should have bought some Maggi masala packets and added it into the ramen. That should be a wise idea, but I realized it very late. But yeah, all my other friends, they enjoyed their ramen, and I think I opted for nachos and salsa. Basically, the salsa is a tomato dip, so it shouldn't be a problem for me. So yeah, that's how we spent our time in Han River and also Pongonsa Temple, Coex Mall. So if you liked this video, you will also love these videos, and the Pongonsa Temple video is one of my most favorite videos. I hope you will check them out, and I'll see you with another new travel video. So for now, Adi Sangati. Bye!